as a nation, we went large. We went large, didn't we? I've been reading about this. We went large, didn't we? I've been reading about this, and we didn't disappoint Great Britain. We just, we went for it. Well, England, I guess, I suppose. Do you know how much we spent over the weekend?
Gosh, I'd hate to think. I mean, with the weather the way that it was, God, blimey, we must have spent thousands on beer.
Oh, go bigger. 3 billion over the weekend. We managed to rack up. So 20 million of us apparently headed out to the shops, and on Saturday alone, over 6 million pints were downed. Now, I'm hazarding a guess, but I reckon that was just the Marks and Spencer social media team. Just damn you, Cuthbert. Next round's on us. So yeah, everybody went for it, apart from the parents that were sat at home with their kids. Have you been out yet? Have you done it?
Well, yeah, we went for a meal last week, so that was very nice. I was working all weekend, but I was like walking through town centres and saw it.
Where the fuck are you going? What the fuck was that?
Sister has a bishop. She bought a new sofa too, She run away. It's here. Scratch the car. That is very bad. You just chill. Yeah.
In a fire department, seriously, dude.
Oh, the old.
Hello. Yeah. Oh, we're going into this car. I'm talking to him.
We were having a chat.
I'm talking to our Paul. There were a car coming over to the side of him.
Not too long ago, this is called apocalypse prediction. It's just been a doom and gloom on
now leave the roundabout.
Brilliant.
And it's really about doomsayers who say that the world is coming, and then we always put clock back some more. Oh, it's next year. So that's what's
What the?
fucking hell.
Do you know anything else about it?
I've got information here, but there's too much information to a rufous bush robin.
A rufous bush robin? Tell me a little more about the rufous bush robin, Terry. How do you know that?
Look,
Breaking the Heart, BBC Radio Manchester. Coming up, we're going to be having a bit of an information time, if you like, a bit of public service broadcasting on what you can and cannot do in different parts of Greater Manchester. Obviously, there's been the breaking news of the U-turn in Bolton and Trafford on restrictions there, so they were supposed to be eased, and now those restrictions have been put back in place, rather. That announcement was made at around midday today. Our reporter Richard said he's going to be joining us for the next few minutes, and he'll be telling you what it means for you. Well, first on Greater Manchester's roads, there's one lane closed on the A627M going south from Junction 3 at Rochdale turning to Junction 2 at Slatox Link and Middleton turn off because of emergency repairs. It's
You know, mate.
£77 an hour. It's a paltry sum. Andy Burnham and the leaders around the table, including myself, are absolutely right to reject that £60 million deal and hold out for an increased offer.
The restrictions mean there's a ban on almost all mixing between households, and pubs will have
Back. Open the door! Get out! Get out! Get on the floor! On the floor! Get on the floor! Right. Yeah. Right, you're under arrest for dangerous driving and failing to stop. I won't. You don't have to say anything, mate. I'm just saying, do not mention when questioned. So